In today's video, we're going to discuss an item I recently found while doing some research on eBay that has me questioning, is it a black market listing or is it just a seller's mistake that's costing them? Let's see that item. Hey, what's going on, hustlers? Kevin with Our Journey to Freedom. If you're not familiar with our channel and this is your first time stopping by, welcome. We are full-time resellers. We sell on platforms like eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, local auctions, Facebook auctions inside of groups. We sell on Craigslist. We used to sell at the flea market. All kinds of outlets to get rid of this stuff. Where do we buy our stuff? We get it from wholesale. We get it from liquidation places. We buy liquidation pallets and liquidation cases. We also buy at common big box retailers like Walmart, Target, Dollar Tree, and more. We buy from mom and pop boutique retailers, regional outlet stores, the flea markets, garage sales, thrift stores, but it doesn't stop there. We also buy online from various types of retailers. It is endless where you can get this merchandise. You can ask your friends and family if you're looking to get started. Got no money? No worries. Take a look around your house. What are you not using? Sell it, make some money, and reinvest into more items to sell. Did we start full-time? Nope. That's why this channel's here. We have documented our ups and downs over the past few years to get us where we are today. Be sure to check out some of our other videos to help you along your journey. Alright, so this is the item that I'm referring to. It is a listing for 2 white throw pillow inserts. This is not the covers, this is just the pillow insert that goes inside. 2 18 by 18 inch pillows, and they want $2,385. Hey, they're giving us a bonus here. Free economy shipping. You think I could at least get some priority shipping if I'm spending that kind of money on 2 pillows. The sad thing is, they have 4 of them available. Now, is this some, special fancy cotton that's inside there or something else? No, it's standard polyester. It's got standard listings for, the item specifics. It's got a generic description. It looks like somebody's legitimate listing that they just screwed up on. With all of the automation software that's out there, with all of the tools that are out there to help resellers, sometimes they make mistakes. And this could clearly be one of them. Maybe they were thinking they were listing it at $23.85, because if we look at the comps, you can buy a pack of 4 for $17.77. You get a pack of 2 for $11.23. A pack of 4 for $22.99. So I don't know. It's not my listing. Or it could be one of those rumored listings that are out there that get used for other black market items. I've heard stories from over the years with the Amazon marketplace getting used to launder money and purchase black market services. So, hey, you want a fake ID or you want something else, go buy this listing. And you'll see stuff out there. You'll go in and look at a package of candy that's selling for $2 to everybody else, and magically there's one seller on the listing selling it for $4,000 or $5,000. And there's sales history behind it. It's crazy. I've heard other people talk about stories of things being found over the years in the Amazon warehouse, packaged in sealed boxes, that they say it's one item and it's got something else in the box, whether it be, drugs or illegal stuff or anything else that they're just kind of like shuffling through. So who knows? Maybe these pillows come stuffed with some magic leaves. I don't know. I'm not going to spend $2,400 to find out. But this goes to show you that, you need to pay attention to your listings. With all of the tools and the software out there, if you're not manually creating these listings, and this could have very well been a manually created listing that somebody just was tired and not paying attention as they're punching in the numbers, and forgot the decimal point in a certain spot. I hope maybe this seller follows our channel and sees this video and realizes the mistake that's out there and corrects it. You know, it could be a costly mistake. They could be sitting on these pillows for a long time wondering why they're not selling. So goes to show you, you should constantly be looking at your inventory, looking at your listings, and making sure that everything is okay. It's part of my daily routine that I scan through all of our Amazon listings. I scan through all of our eBay listings, and I look. Really, it doesn't take me that long. I scroll through real quick looking for a couple pieces of information. It used to take me longer, but we implemented some tools that took some other things off my plate that handle those pieces that were taking me a little bit longer each day. One of them being a repricing tool for Amazon. I was manually repricing all of my stuff each and every morning. I was analyzing it, and I made mistakes, and I missed stuff. Putting this repricer in, it just does it for me, and it's doing it constantly throughout the day. You know, the first week I put it in place, I was like, man, this thing's going crazy. It's adjusting the prices like every couple of minutes. I'm losing money. And then I sat down to figure it out and went, wait a minute, I'm making more money than I was before. Because this thing is constantly fighting for me to have control of the buy box. I wish I could find something similar for our eBay accounts. Something that would monitor the pricing. So far, everything I found is more for drop shippers, making sure that they're always making a profit. Not something to compare your listings to all of the other competition that's out there listing similar items. So if you guys know of one, please post it in the comments below. I would love to try something out that maybe you recommend as a repricer for eBay. I will be doing a video shortly on our repricer for Amazon. Let me tell you, it has done wonders for our business since we implemented it. Alrighty, hustlers, I'd love to hear your opinion on what you think this listing is. Is it something on the black market, or was it just a seller's mistake? Throw it in the comments below. If you like this type of content, give us a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe today and click that bell notification so you get notified when we put out new videos. Alrighty, hustlers, get out there and go do